How to fix live option missing on TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile located at bottom right. First, to have live option, you will need to cross 1K followers. If still you have problem, go to your profile and then click on three lines on top right. Then click on settings and privacy, which is the last option. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply scroll down and then click on free up space, which is below offline videos. Click on free up space and then clear cache. Only clear cache. After you've done that, simply refresh the app by removing it. If you still have the problem, again go to your profile, click on three lines on top right corner of your screen, and you'll find settings and privacy at the bottom. Then scroll down, click on report a problem. Click on report a problem, and in here you'll be able to find all the options. Simply click on live and then click on hosting live, which is the first option. Then click on how to start a live and then press on no at the bottom. Click on need more help. And in here you can simply describe your problem, which is your missing live option. Even though you have crossed 1K followers, TikTok will get back to you and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix live option missing on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.